somebody gonna get my tablet and record this for me?
Boy, bye.
Mama and Daddy called me. I'm trying to save it on my tablet too.
Jay Sean, come put your foot on this.
Y'all got that stick smoking. It look like a cigarette.
This stick, come on, just throw this. This gonna be for a few hours to get it cooked. It's cooked. You already bit on it.
You a knucklehead, huh? Didn't I tell you to leave it alone? Leave it alone.
Making it burn.
Stop.
Ooh. Good enough.
Right, what you doing?
I was gonna try to break some wood. Now I want you like, let's try to break some wood. Nope, so it's a chef. Just for field seconds.
She say nope.
Hold on to it. Fill me in. Like 15 minutes.
Hey, leave that. Look, y'all gonna be the look. You ain't gonna break that.
Okay.
Get these little sticks and break them and put them in there.
Okay. Just a little. This really good. Okay, this one.
You gonna put it in there like that.
Oh my god. I don't know why, but it smells familiar.
Don't knock it. Don't knock
JC.
it out.
I ain't knocking it out. See, look, he.
You don't want nobody to tell you nothing, huh?
Look, see, he's gonna take the fire out. I got it. JC, just
Now
put the fire.
y'all put the pieces in there.
Okay. Put the sticks in there. Oh, Daddy. There's sparks with the sticks.
Okay, okay. All right, don't break that one. Put it in there.
It's gonna be for a few seconds. We're back good, cause my eye hurts now. When you close them, they're watery. Just a few seconds. Break. No, it's gonna be done for a few seconds. Daddy said don't break that one.
Boy,
I'm putting it in. Wait, let me
you see how close your hand was to that though? Come on now, that's too big. Reggie, you ain't gonna tell them that?
Give it here.
I'm trying to get on my marshmallow. It touched it.
Big long ass stick, that's too long. Jesus.
But it's a stick though, right, Mom?
Throw some more sticks on there.
Okay. This trying to get my arms. There you go. Found a little one, but I found this one. Oh, this one kind of looks like the thing,
Break that one.
the stick for the s'mores.
Look, man.
Wow. Oh my God! I murdered.
That's enough. Just don't throw it in there.
I killed the frog.
You stepped on it?
Get up off my feet now.
You stepped on it? You stepped on the frog? You seen the
Look.
frog?
I broke it.
You knew the frog was right there? That ain't funny.
Woo!
Fire! Fire!
Let me get a little bit closer back.
Fire!
Let's go get some more. Yeah. Come on, let's go.
Your
Throw it
son
in
out here murdering frogs.
Yeah. He
There's a
murdered
little small tiny baby frog. That frog wasn't bothering him. You just stepped on it and smushed it with your shoe for.
Don't try to break that. Just put it on there.
Okay. Now it's in heaven. It's in a better place now. But you can kill the frog. They even live. Let it live its life. Why would you kill the frog?
You need to tie your shoestrings. You get up and trip on them shoestrings, girl. Come here. Get that to
Hey, come put
daddy.
this in
Get that
there.
to your daddy.
Come put these marshmallows in there. Put them in the kitchen.
Just sit down. Don't
Can I have
move.
one
You
more?
need to tie your shoe.
Just bring me that bottle that's in there by the refrigerator.
Reggie,
I
you
mean,
tie
on the
your
sink.
shoes.
That bottle.
What bottle?
That what's called that wine bottle.
It's hot, huh?
It's right by the refrigerator on that sink.
I got to stay back away from this.
What's wrong with it? That's enough. Oh, you can cook this down. You can cook the thing.
That marshmallow over with, baby girl.
That marshmallow long, baby.
Y'all, let's go get some more sticks. I got a light.
You look like you put baby oil on your legs.
Cause I'm a baby.
That ain't what I thought about.
What's it? Y'all trying to roast some more marshmallows?
Yeah, boy.
Mhm.
I ain't get a chance yet.
Mhm.
But she taking too long.
Zaya, you already been into that. I'm gonna record this. It's already almost broken. I'm gonna sit right here and record this.
Come on, Sarah. Help me with this.
I'm getting
Jesse, come here. Come here, me too.
Hold up. I'm getting some sticks. Okay. Gonna put the big one in here. Can I
Keep
put
going back there. They got alligators. I don't want one of them alligators to be run up on y'all.